told you I don't like Taylor Swift. Okay. I like Undertale, Megalovania, Toby Fox. No. 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 One. I told you I don't like Nick Salmon Fun Arts. The cringe is ruining my taste of anime too. Eggers. With this. Sweet bird of paradise. I told you Nick Salmon ruined 2021 with this photo. I'm not the one that's dancing in front of this photo with my friends. And yes, yellow dude still is gold BBC over that. You know why? We're not friends with Nick Salmon because Rufus Langerick stole Nick Salmon off me. Come on, I wasn't doing any harm on him. We were trolling him.
Touch, thought about you way too much, over overthinking us. Cause you've been so out of touch. You could've had my love, but you've been so out of touch. My bird of paradise. You move like an animal. My bird of paradise.
Double no. Double no. Double no. Double one. Double one. Double one.
So I can watch you play. In the sweet bird of paradise. Damn glass, look at my past. I'm ripping on my feet over broken glass. I said, sweet bird of paradise.
Little brother Jakey trying to roast me? What? Little brother standing on his own 2 feet?
Look at me now. I'm holding on my problems to the size of a cow.
I'm going to make a YouTube poop on Rufus Langerick. With Dim Shim beating Rufus Langerick up while I play the Little Einstein's theme song.
Wake up.